I'm Joanna and I am the creator and owner of Kneaded Distraction, and I make sourdough products. So everything from bread, bagels, English muffins, waffles, all sorts of things, all naturally leavened with sourdough. It's a healthier type of bread, easier to digest, and very yummy. Started this as it was my pandemic project. So it was something to get me up off the couch once I came home from my real job during the quarantine, and it's kept me busy ever since. I'm at the Main Avenue Farmers Market in Fallbrook, and on Sundays you can find me at the Fenton Family Farm stand in Duluth. So I do all sorts of different flavors of bagels. I also do sourdough loaves, plain sourdough as well as flavored ones. At the farmer's market, I have special items that are not on my normal menu, like cookies and sourdough brownies, croutons, focaccia. You can order on my website, kneadeddistraction.com, or you can always message me through Instagram or Facebook. And those are my normal items that you can order for pickup or delivery during the week. And then the specialty items, as well as a lot of the normal things, can be found at the weekend markets.
So if I wanted to specifically get those butterscotch cookies, could I make an order?
You could definitely order them. They come in dozens for the special orders of the cookies.
Oh, that's great. Well, I enjoy your stuff. I think your sourdough's fabulous, and as I've heard around town, it is the best sourdough in town.
Thank you.
So if there's anybody you want to tell somebody that's getting into baking, what kind of tips would you give them? Because I know sourdough is not the easiest thing to make.
No, you definitely have to have patience. I always have loved to cook, but never considered myself a baker because it was too exacting and precise, and it is. It definitely is. It requires patience. There's long rise times, and feeding and growing the starter. I grew the starter from scratch, so that took a little while. My husband calls it my science project because it is in jars all over my kitchen. But it's just something that you have to have a passion for, and it definitely comes through in the finished product.
What's mother dough?
Well, the mother is what people consider the sourdough starter. So everything is coming from the initial starter, and then you're just pulling from that and refeeding the mother, and then using little bits of it in your baking.
Oh, awesome! Because you always hear the mother dough.
Yeah.
Awesome. From Robin at everythingfallbrook.org, it's been a pleasure, Joanna. I will look forward to eating my next piece of sourdough from you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Have a great day.